Okay, Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, with the worker. We just had lunch, and everybody takes a little break after lunch. And these guys have the right idea. They laid out on some plywood and just relaxing, let the food settle down. Yeah, that's good. Good. That's what we used to do when I was a kid, working in a hayfield in the farm in the summertime. Go to lunch at the farmer's house, and then we'd sit in the living room and relax. So we just had some watermelon for dessert. We had rice, we had fish, we had some pork with noodles and vegetables. It was delicious. It's all gone. These guys eat, man, they can eat, they can put it away. They love their rice. Each one eats probably almost a plate full of rice like this. They can munch down. So we're making a lot of progress here. Here's the other bedroom. Um, you can see they're starting to put the framework up in here, and we're making progress there. So just a little after lunch video, show everybody relaxing, having a good time. They enjoy their work. They work hard. I try to take good care of them, feed them, keep them happy. And we'll have a little break this afternoon, have a snack, and we keep some cold drinks on hand all times. Because it's really, really hot here. You can see a breeze. You can see the palm trees swaying in the breeze over here. Trees moving around. So as long as you got a little breeze here in the Philippines, it's not too bad. It's almost like aircon, but not quite. And feels good. Tito Jeff, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.